Welcome to Gaeilgeoir AI. Today we're exploring how to say dee-ah in Irish, which means hello. Now you can use dee-ah when speaking to a single person. If you're speaking to a group of people, you can say dee-ah yeev, which means hello to you all. This greeting is perfect when addressing multiple people, such as a group of friends or family. Let's practice the pronunciation together. For dee-ah repeat after me. Dee-ah gwit. Dee-ah gwit. Dee-ah gwit. Now for dee-ah yeev, repeat after me. Dee-ah yeev. Dee-ah yeev. Dee-ah yeev.
Craving more Irish greetings? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for a real boost to your learning journey, visit Gaeilgeoir.ai, your AI-powered Irish language companion.